Earning money as a college student can be tough, especially when you're juggling a full course load and other responsibilities. But what if I told you there's a way to make a solid income right from your dorm room, especially without compromising your study time? Online tutoring is one of the easiest side hustles that any college student can start today. Not only do you get to earn a great hourly rate, but you also get to help kids succeed in their education, all while working flexible hours that fit into your busy schedule. Whether you excel in math, science, English, or even music, there's a demand for your skills. And the best part, you don't need to be a certified teacher to get started. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to know about starting your very own tutoring business and how you can do it as a side hustle and earn some great money on the side. But without further ado, let's get into it. Earning money by tutoring kids online has quickly become one of the easiest and probably most flexible side hustles out there. The beauty of this opportunity lies in its simplicity. If you're good at a particular subject, enjoy working with kids, and have a reliable internet connection, you're already halfway there. Tutoring online not only allows you to share your knowledge, but also provides a rewarding way to make a meaningful impact on a student's education while earning a steady income. By tapping into this ever-growing market, you can leverage platforms and technology and your own skills to build a side hustle that fits seamlessly into your schedule. Begin by identifying areas where you can find potential clients locally. Platforms like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace are a great place to start for posting your tutorial services and tutoring services, especially in areas with higher average household incomes. These areas often provide access to families willing to pay higher rates for quality tutors. By starting in these communities, you can find clients who value personalized, high-quality instruction, making your first steps into tutoring much more lucrative and rewarding. You'll want to focus on these platforms initially to get some clients and experience, and then consider moving to more professional tools like Preply. The first thing we'll talk about is choosing your tutoring subject and how to go about doing that. The first step to building your online tutoring side hustle is identifying your subject expertise. Think about what you excel at and enjoy teaching. Are you a math whiz, a science enthusiast, or an avid reader with strong English skills? Maybe you have unique skills like coding, creative writing, or even music. The truth is, elementary and middle school students often need help with foundational skills, so if you don't have to be an expert in advanced calculus or physics in order to tutor them, basics like fractions, essay writing, or science projects are always in high demand. By narrowing down your lessons, you'll be able to create engaging lessons tailored to specific needs. Once you've determined your subject, it's time to establish your presence online. Platforms like Preply are probably the best place to start to do this. Preply simplifies the process by connecting you with students who are already searching for help in your area of expertise. Setting up a profile in Preply is easy, and it allows you to market your skills effectively to a broad audience. If you guys want to get started with Preply, make sure you use the link down in the description. When you guys click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. As you can see, you can make a living by teaching the largest community of learners worldwide. It's a simple 3-step process where you simply sign up, get approved, and you can start earning immediately. All we have to do is click this green Create Profile button, enter in our email address and our password. Once you're inside of Preply, as you can see, they have a full process that they'll walk you through everything you need to know about getting set up with Preply to start teaching other students inside of the platform. The first thing is giving our first name, our last name, our country of birth, the subject that we teach, languages that we speak, and the level of the actual language that we speak. As far as subjects are concerned, there's a ton that we can choose from, but we can choose English, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Italian, Korean, Arabic, Chinese, Portuguese, statistics, computer science, economics, chemistry, biology, algebra, physics, history, math, accounting, Russian, Polish, Turkish, and a host of other things that we can teach people. Once you have all that filled out, you'll then move on to where you'll upload a photo of yourself. You'll then have a certification process, the education process, which actually outlines your course plan, the description process, videos, availability, and your pricing. And then just like that, you'll officially be ready to start on Preply and start giving people actionable advice and help people by tutoring them. One of the most crucial steps in this whole process is creating a professional profile. Your profile on platforms like this is crucial for attracting clients. Ideally, your profile should highlight your qualifications, what your college degree or major was in, or how strong your grades are, as well as any past tutoring experiences. Even if you're just starting out, a friendly, approachable introduction can help you stand out. Parents at the end of the day want tutors who seem reliable and confident in their abilities. You can include details about the subjects that you teach, your teaching style, and your availability. While you're building your presence on tutoring platforms, you can consider creating a professional-looking website as well. This step may not be necessary right away, but if you can see significant growth inside of your tutoring business, it may be actually beneficial to create your very own website to market your services. Considering that Preply is a decent place to get started, if you already have an existing client base in the real world, you can start by making your very own website on a platform like Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the easiest ways to start building a beautiful looking website in just a matter of seconds. They have artificial intelligence tools that let you build most of it from scratch, and and you don't have to have any experience prior to actually know how to build a website. You can create beautiful looking websites from their templates and also have full e-commerce functionality for things like booking appointments and getting set up with client payments. If you guys want to get started with Hostinger, I would highly recommend using the link down in the description. Once you use that link, as you can see, you can get started for only $2.49 a month, and you can hit the pink claim deal button. Make sure to put in the code at checkout, my first website, all capitals, no spaces, in order to get an even bigger discount. When it comes to tutoring, flexibility is also going to be one of your biggest perks. You can set your own hours, decide how many students you want to take on, and tailor your sessions to fit your schedule. Make sure to be very clear with your availability so that way students can expect and see exactly when they can work with you. Having a good schedule here is really crucial to actually making sure that you get people consistently in your pipeline, leading to more revenue and consistent sales. Pricing is another key aspect of running your tutoring business. Make sure to research what other tutors in your subject and area are charging and set a competitive rate. If you're just starting out, you might want to price your services slightly below market rates to attract your first clients. Once you build a strong reputation and garnered positive reviews, you can gradually raise your price rates. Tutors typically charge anywhere between $15 to $60 per hour, depending on their subject, experience, expertise, and location. If you specialize in niche skills or advanced subjects like SAT prep, you can command even higher rates than this. Another key detail here is that tutoring isn't just about teaching, it's about building relationships with your students. Kids learn best when lessons are interactive and tailored to their individual needs. You can use tools like Zoom, Google Meets, or Microsoft Teams to host your sessions and incorporate features like virtual whiteboards and screen sharing to make your lessons engaging. Platforms like Kahoot and Quizlet can also gamify learning, making it more enjoyable for younger students. Understanding your students' strengths and weaknesses is also key. By personalizing your lessons to address their specific challenges, you'll not only help them improve academically, but also gain their trust and confidence. This relationship building aspect is what leads to repeat clients and referrals. Expanding your reach and marketing, once you're comfortable with tutoring and have an established client base, it's time to scale. Consider creating marketing materials like flyers or social media posts to promote your services, especially in local community groups or forums. Facebook parenting groups are particularly valuable as parents often exchange recommendations for tutors there. Word of mouth referrals are also one of the most powerful tools for growing your business. If you've helped a student improve their grades or build confidence, their parents are likely to recommend you to other parents. Encourage your clients to leave reviews on your Preply profile or website, and don't be shy about asking for referrals. Specialized tutoring opportunities. If you have bilingual skills, you can also consider offering even language tutoring like we showed on the Preply website. This can be a super lucrative way to earn extra money on the side, especially for already a native speaker of that language. By doing all this, you'll build an amazing tutoring business, one that can consistently earn you money on the side and also make a significant impact in the lives of so many different students. If you guys want to get started with the platforms that we talked about in this video, make sure you use the links down in the description. Also remember that those are affiliate links and we do earn a small commission from each sign up, so thank you in advance for supporting us monetarily. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the future what types of videos we should make, and also let me know if you're ever thinking about starting this type of business. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.